Hey everybody, and for today's video, I thought I'd do something a little bit different and kind of ask the question, where did you get your interest in cars? And I know a lot of my friends say Matchbox cars, and those sorts of things, 99 cents. And I think for me, mine came from Lego. And when I would build stuff and I would see something kind of come to life, and it was really cool. And what I realized is that when I build cars, I'm kind of most happiest when I'm solving issues or solving problems. And that's kind of carried into, my everyday life as well. So I have a job where I solve a lot of issues and create solutions to problems and create programs and that sort of thing. So I've got a really cool job in that respect. I get to create things on a daily basis. And I, stuff has been happening lately, so I needed a little stress reliever. And so I decided I'm going to buy this the Bugatti Lego kit in it, and I haven't opened it yet, but I want to open it for you guys. I think that would be kind of fun today. But ask the question is, where did you get your car passion from? And I think mine starts with Lego. So I'm just looking at the box. The brakes look cool. I'll give you a close-up shot. We've got it says it has a working W16 motor, which I'm excited to build and see. That looks so cool because I did the 911, which is also in the channel, so check it out in my channel. But also, if it has a working transmission like the 911 does, that's going to be dope as well. So I mean, if we look at the interior, some of the details that are in this have been very, very cool. So I'm excited to look at it. I will make a video about building it, but for the most part, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you, unbox it, and kind of show you what's in it, because I think just even the packaging itself, a lot of thought and time went into it, and it looks really cool. Looks really cool. So I have not opened this yet, but it says it's got 3,599 pieces, so not sure why they chose 3,599, but they did. So anyway, this is going to be cool. 1/8 scale, it's going to go great with my other cars, but look at that. A lot of thought went into this, right? Show you the wheels on the left. Nice photo where you put all the boxes together. That's pretty cool. So clearly a lot of thought went into this. Okay, one final thing. I just realized as I was putting it back in the box, here's the thing. If you take these, okay, and flip them upside down, okay, we're going to take that, we're going to move that, take these, so you've got the front view. This is how cool this design is. Look at this. And if you take it, you flip it upside down, you get, look at that. Oh, that is, I mean, come on, talk about design. That is just cool. You flip it upside down, you get a backside of it. It just occurred to me. Okay. And if you look at kind of the Bugatti, the real Bugatti itself, a lot of thought and effort and time went into making that car, designing it, making it look really cool. So what we've got here is one wheel, and then, oh, look at that. Under each wheel is a little painted brake rotor. So yeah, clearly it took a few minutes just to think about it. So in the middle, what we've got here is the manual, and remember, if you remember the 911 had a build book, and it randomly through it had build photos, and I have not opened this, and I think I saw book one. This is going to be a long build, I have a feeling, which is cool, because again, I enjoy the process of building, and I think that's where a lot of my passion comes from, is that building of the car. You have nothing, and then suddenly there's something, and it lives and breathes and drives and does all these sorts of cool things. But if you remember, the 911 had actual factory 911 photos of the cars that they build, and I think I saw a couple as I was just flipping through it. Oh, here we go. Oh, so we've got a little man here, yellow-haired man, putting the two halves together. So it looks like they do have a working transmission. That's cool. Gearbox is going to be awesome. Actual disc rotors this time, as opposed to nothing in the 911. So that's a special piece. And of course, behind it, you've got what appears to be the actual Chiron. So let's see, is there any other photos? The marriage process. Oh, that's cute. So yeah, really cool stuff. Legos have gotten really complicated over the last few years, and I've been very impressed with the way things have been going. And I've got so many, I actually have to build a shelf. So that's going to be my next project. So, okay. Engine and gearbox. Little man, same little man showing it off. Some really excellent photography in this. If you haven't followed my career at all, I used to do a fair amount of photography. We've got a shot of the two side by side, obviously real life 1/8 scale. So one's in the grass and one's on the road. That's funny. Okay, so yeah, again, another shot of the real one. So yeah, you get some really cool photography in there. This is pretty cool. Yeah, so I can appreciate good photography when I see it, because you guys, if you've, again, followed my career at all, know that I still do a fair amount of automotive photography and really appreciate good stuff when I see it. So we got some drawings in here, and some of this stuff is really neat. Oh, that's gonna be cool. The engine cover. Wasn't somebody saying online that there was like a $20,000 oil change or something because they got to remove like half the back of it because they don't allow us plebeians to touch it with our grubby little hands. So they design it so you can't remove any of the back pieces at all of the real car. So what will they come up with next, right? All right, so apparently that's the first build of book one. There's the actual engine. Cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. We've got a sticker sheet that comes with it. Cool. Oh, I have a feeling this... Nope, that's a box. Okay, next box. Oh, wow. Okay. Small box for pieces. Got a medium-sized box here. More pieces. Put that over here. And what looks like to be book two. Again, more automotive photography. Yep, book two, totally right. But now, we're into the meat. We're into the meat over here. Oh yeah, actual brake rotors. That's got to be a new part number for Lego. That's cool. That's good stuff. But now we've got, a little bit more stylized stuff in here. Yikes! This is gonna be cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. So I'm gonna film it and then probably do it on like 8 times speed or something, because I have a feeling this is gonna take me quite a while. But again, I enjoy the building process. We've got seats and interior. This is really well done. So Lego, kudos to you. I know that there was probably some collaboration with you and the folks at Bugatti to make sure that this was not only a fun build, but also well thought out, elegant design, but designed to everything. Even the instruction manual has a lot of thought put into it, so I can really appreciate that. I'm gonna put that over here. So we've got box 4 boxes. Got another box here, box 3, and then what we've got here is box 1, focus. Never mind, screw it. Not worth it. Okay, and then what we've got here is our 4. There's pieces in here. Yep. So before we get too far, let's pull these out. There we go. There are Legos in here, but this is not a numbered. Box 6. You've got box 6. Okay. Let's see if I can get this with one hand. There we go. Oh, wheels and yeah, looks like wheels. That's box full of wheels. Okay. So let's start with, which one do we have? It's box 1. Okay. Yeah. Everything's kind of crammed in there. So here we go. Box 1. Okay. So yeah, it looks like, here's the engine. Oh, that's super cool. You get to start with the engine in box 1. That's awesome. That is totally awesome. Okay, guys, I'm starting to run out of time here, and probably sick of me droning on and on, but here's the deal. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this together kind of slowly. I'll record the whole bit. Thanks a lot. I do appreciate everybody kind of sticking around. We're creeping up on the 4,000 subscriber mark, which is totally cool. I appreciate everybody stopping by. It's a lot of fun. And hey, you know what? If you haven't subscribed yet, you know, it'd be really cool to get over that 4,000 mark. So I enjoy making this stuff. I think it's a lot of fun. I get to keep my feet wet into the automotive world. And man, I'm just looking at the detail on those wheels. How cool is that? That's super cool. It's like a real rim. Holy cow. Okay, all right, that's pretty neat. I got to admit, there's a fair amount of really cool design in there. So anyway, I'm excited to do this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Kind of, you know, allow me to get out of my head for a little bit and into, you know, a project, but because God knows we've had enough snow here in Minnesota, and it snowed again last night, so I am kind of over the whole snow situation. But again, thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it, and hope to see you soon. Feel free anytime. Leave me a comment down below. Have you built this? Is it cool? It looks cool. Looks like a lot of fun. So I'm running out of space, and I'm going to have to build an actual Lego shelf. I've got so many of these Lego builds. So anyway, let me know, where did you get your Lego passion, where'd you get your car passion from? Mine was definitely from Legos. And to see the evolution of where these Lego kits have come a really long way. And we're now blurring the line between imagination and actual, you know, car model. That's pretty neat. But anyway, these are all just, you know, filled with Lego. I'm sure you've seen that. But the unboxing part of it has been awesome. Appreciate it. If you ever get a chance, please subscribe and leave a comment if you can. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.